this video, I'll show you how to fix your mouse cursor moving on its own on Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is come down here and search for mouse settings. In here, choose additional mouse options. Now another way to open this is simply hit down to control panel and choose large icons and then select the mouse. Now in here, what you want to do is you want to go over to pointers. Make sure you disable enable pointer shadow. Make sure it's disabled. From in here, go to pointer options. Now you can put this whatever you want. I like having mine in the middle. Make sure you disable this one and make sure you disable this one. Now once you've done that, press apply and OK. And then after that, what we want to do is go into device manager. From in here, you want to find your mice and other pointing devices. Right click on your mouse, update the driver, and you can do it if you have others as well, but just update the driver. After it's done updating, check if it works. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is right click on it, uninstall, and uninstall the others, and then your mouse is not working. So what you have to do is take your mouse USB, take it out of the computer and put it back in. Now after that, it will regenerate itself in here and it should hopefully work after that. Now that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.